Hey, what's up, YouTube? Geo here. I am at this washing machine, LG washer service call. Customer complains that it keeps running water even after she plug it out. Water's still flowing, so gonna see what's going on. There's the machine. Got my tool back there. And she said she actually shut the water off because as soon as it turned on, see it back there, the valve just keeps running. So I gotta try to open the door and see what's going on. Right there for now. See what happens every time. As soon as I open the door, it works. I'm gonna turn the machine on and try to get it just to drain. See if I'm able to get it to drain. Rinse and spin. It has a drain only? No. No drain only. Let me try to rinse and spin and see if that does it. That got it draining. I just want it to drain. And it sounds like the inner basket on this unit is a little bit loose. So let me stop it. I was opening the door because I have to get the model number. Because I do not have it. Wait for it to open. It's still locked. I'm gonna wait for it to open the door. Model right there. So, let me look it up. See if I'm able to get it. Just looking at it and applying already. Wm0642hw. The model number, the little starting search. Let's see if I pull up the service manual right there. If I'm able to get it into drain only. Manual. Let me look at the first one. Loading. Okay, there we go. This is how we pull up the tech sheet. So I'm gonna go to page 15. Alright, so turn it on. It's an LG model number. And we've got to press the spin speed and soil level. Spin speed, soil level, and turn power on. And there we go, power's on. And I need to get it to drain, so I have to hit it 12 times to get it to drain. In order to advance to the next step, hit the start button. So 12 times start button. Where is the start button? The actual start button is built into the control knob. So 1. So 1 time, turn clockwise. So most likely it's going to be a defective water inlet valve on this unit. Because the valve is always supposed to be in the off position until energized by the control board. But as I said, I think this washer has a inner drum problem brewing, so once I'm able to open the door, I'm going to check that out and see. Could be another way out. Alright, so I hit it start 1 time, so it's turning clockwise. If y'all can see, I'm gonna hit it twice, which is gonna be a low spin. And that's the problem too. See what I was talking about there? See what I was talking about, the inner drum being loose? Something is loose. Gotta pull out the unit. I need to take a look at it. Make sure I have it. gonna have a look in the back because that noise does not sound normal. I just had put it into spin and it sounded like the motor was just about to take off. Look at that. It needs new shocks. You see that? That's why it's making noise like that. That's not good. That is not normal for it to do that. So that's what it needs. And she said as soon as we turn on the water valve from the wall, it starts running inside the machine, then eventually overflow on the floor. So it's not stopping at all. So I'm about to test that. But more likely, I'm thinking the water inlet valve is defective and bad. I'm gonna give it a go. And hard work. So I'm gonna turn the valve on and see. I turn the valve on. Nothing is alright. I don't see anything running. Open the top up. Alright, so y'all can see, got it opened up. I'm checking the pressure switch tube hose. Connector. Yeah, so it looks like the valve had just malfunctioned because right now I have it on and it's not leaking, so it looks like as soon as it's activated, it just stays. Let me try to get it to, and then turn it off. See if it keeps running. See? It does. Look at that. You see that? Look at that. As soon as I have the valve on the wall, have the machine call for